Hey, I'm Theron. This is my friend Maddie. If you're not waking up and shooting this project every single day of your life because it's important, if you don't have that feeling inside, it's not going to be a successful project. You know, the goal of photography is to capture how you feel about the subject, and it has to come from a really genuine place. And in this workshop, I'm going to walk you through my process and my thoughts about how I've created my personal work, and then also how that's led into commercial projects and how I use a similar workflow for creating great images for clients. And it's important as an image maker to understand where we came from, how influences of past image makers show up in our work today. So my philosophy on light and photography, I feel like is very similar to every photographer's. And I would say that light is everything. But you can make great images in almost any type of lighting. You become a wise photographer when you can execute the same idea across a broad range of images over time. You have to create the work that you want to get hired for. So this workshop is focused on personal projects, and the reason why we create large bodies of work is an opportunity to express to the world how you see things, and that lets you hone your style. I can't wait to show you all how I create and how I worked, and hopefully you'll find something important and valuable in this that you can take into your own process. Okay, you can take it off. There we go. Okay, we got it.